Hello friends, welcome to the Photoshop tips and tricks. Today I'll show you how to easily change Coca-Cola to watermelon juice in Photoshop. Let's start. At first select and duplicate the layer. Choose Quick Selection tool. And select all entire the glass. Then add a mask on the layer. This is glass layer. Click on Adjustments, and choose Hue Saturation. Enable Colorize, then increase the saturation and lightness. OK, click to clip to layer, and come back to layer panel. It looks good. Now select the mask layer. Then select the brush tool. And soft mode. Brush opacity 70%. And the flow 100%. Then change the foreground color to black. Now brush the upper, and the hand of glass to remove the red color. Change the foreground color to white, and set the opacity to 30%. Then brush the hand of glass to look more realistic. OK, it looks good. Select the main layer. And select only the juice. OK, that is set. Press Ctrl J to make a copy. Bring up the layer to top. Select Layer, then click on Adjustments, and add a solid color. Select the red color, and click OK. Then right-click, and choose Create Clipping Mask. Change the mode to Screen. Right-click, and choose Blending option. Hold Alt, and drag the slider to 150, then click OK. OK, that is set. Then select the second layer, hold Ctrl and click on the mask. Now the glass is selected. Go to Select, and inverse the selection. Zoom in the lower shadow. Select Brush tool from the toolbar, and set the opacity to 20%. Now brush this area little a bit. Now the lower shade of the glass has taken on a true red color. This is the result. Select all these layers, and group them. For better adjustments, again open the group, and select the mask of Hue Saturation. Then select the brush. Brush little a bit the upper area to look more realistic. And this is the final result. Hope you liked it. Thanks for watching.